Your coding agent is dumb, not the model, the way it reads your code. Every question, it greps, opens a file, opens another, burns 10,000 tokens to answer something it already saw. This repo got 20,000 stars in a week by fixing that one thing, and cut an agent's tool calls by 70%. Here's what happens when you point an agent at a codebase it's never seen. It has no idea where anything lives, so it fans out. Grep for a keyword, open a file, wrong one, open 3 more, read whole files just to find one function. Every one of those is a tool call. Every tool call ships tokens to the model and bills you for them. The model isn't confused, it's just rummaging. And on a big repo, that rummaging is most of your bill. CodeGraph flips it around. Before your agent asks anything, it scans the whole repo once and builds a map, every symbol, and how they all connect. The agent queries the map instead of reading files. That's the entire pitch, and it landed. This went from a quiet launch in January to nearly 30,000 stars, most of them in a single week on GitHub trending. So, how does it build that map? Step 1. Parsing. CodeGraph runs tree sitter over your code, the same parser your editor uses for syntax highlighting, across more than 20 languages. TypeScript to Rust to Swift. Tree sitter turns each file into a syntax tree. CodeGraph walks that tree and pulls out the symbols that matter. Every function, class, method, type, and import. No model, no embeddings, just a parser reading structure. Step 2. The graph. Each symbol becomes a node, and CodeGraph tracks 23 kinds, from functions and classes all the way to enums and root handlers. Then it draws the edges. This function calls that one. This class extends that one. This file imports from there. 12 relationship types in all. Stack thousands of those together, and you've got a queryable picture of how your codebase actually fits together. Step 3. Storage and delivery. The whole graph drops into a plain SQLite database on your machine, with full text search bolted on so the agent can find a symbol by name instantly. Then CodeGraph hands your agent 10 tools over MCP, ask for context, trace callers and callees, map the blast radius of a change. Your agent calls those instead of grep. One query, not 50 file reads, and it keeps itself current. A file watcher re-indexes what you touch as you save. And if you want to see it all wired together, it's basically one file, src/index.ts, about 1,000 lines, is the orchestrator. It pulls in the extractor, the graph, the database, and the MCP server, and binds them into a single engine that builds a knowledge graph from any codebase. For a repo with this many stars, the core is refreshingly readable. Now, isn't this just RAG for code? No. And that's the interesting part. No embeddings, no vector database, no API keys, nothing leaves your machine. RAG guesses what's relevant by similarity. A graph knows what's connected because it parsed the actual relationships. Ask who calls this function, and the graph gives you an exact answer. Similarity search just gives you a hunch. And to be clear, this doesn't make the model smarter. It just stops it from rummaging. Does it actually save anything? According to the project's own benchmarks, same model, 7 real code bases, with and without. 35% cheaper and 70% fewer tool calls. On Excalidraw, the agent went from 79 tool calls down to 3. But read the fine print, and credit to the repo, its docs actually do. The gains scale with size. On a tiny project, native grep is already cheap, and the savings nearly vanish. The benchmark is the author's own, on one model. It's still pre-1.0, the README, and the package file don't even agree on the numbers. And buried in the methodology, if your agent hands work off to file-reading subagents, CodeGraph becomes pure overhead. Their words, not mine. So, the verdict. If your agent keeps rereading the same giant codebase, this is worth a star and an afternoon. If your repo fits in the context window, you don't need it. Either way, now you know how it works. Subscribe for more repo teardowns.